Hazrat Amir bin Saad narrates that his father Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas radiyallahu anhu said, during the time of the farewell pilgrimage, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to visit me while I was down with high fever. I submitted, I am in extreme agony as you are witnessing, and I am an affluent person, and none saves a daughter will be my hire. So should I give 2/3 of my property as alms? He said, no. I submitted, half of it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no. I submitted 1/3. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 1/3 is also too much, and it is better to leave the inheritors affluent than to leave them needy, independent to others, and you will procure reward for what you expend seeking Allah's pleasure, and even for the morsel you put in your wife's mouth. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5668.